In today's video, I am going to teach you how to forget password in Tradingview. If you've lost access to your account or simply can't remember your password, don't worry, we'll walk through a clean, reliable way to reset it so you can get back in quickly and securely. First, open the official Tradingview website in your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site and that your connection is secure. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the sign in icon to open the login window. In the sign in window, select the email option. This brings up the standard email sign-in panel. Here, look for the link that says, "I forgot password" or "can't sign in," and click it. This is the gateway to the recovery process and works even if you haven't used your account for a while. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter your registered details. Provide the email address, phone number, or username associated with your Tradingview account. Use whichever one you know is tied to your profile. After you submit this information, Tradingview will send you a reset link or a verification code, depending on what you entered either by email or by SMS. Now, check your inbox or your text messages. If you don't see anything right away, give it a minute or two, then refresh. Also look in your spam, junk, or promotions folders, in case the message was filtered there. The reset message will contain either a secure link to continue the process or a code you'll need to enter back on the site. Open that message and follow the instructions exactly as they appear. When you click the reset link or verify the code, you'll arrive at the page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements shown on the screen. A solid approach is to use a longer passphrase or a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like common words or personal details, and don't reuse a password from another site. If the page shows a checklist of requirements, make sure each item is satisfied before you submit. After you confirm your new password, the reset is complete. You should see a confirmation message indicating it worked. Keep your new password stored safely so you won't have to repeat the process. That's it. Thanks for watching.